Hello and welcome to ECE 252, Child, Family, and Community. My name is Lori Marmerstone and I will be your instructor for this class. I am really excited to be launching this fully online version of ECE 252, and you guys are the first class that get to take this fully online course. So welcome, and I can't wait for our journey together. If you haven't yet read through my first announcement, it's right here. It just gives you a little bit of information about me, my experience, and just gives you a real quick direction on where you should have started to find this video. So again, we are on the Blackboard site for this course, and I am going to go through some important information that you need to know. First of all, if you ever need to contact me, you can click on this faculty information link there and you can find all of my information there. I am not a full-time instructor at Harper. I am part-time, so I do not have an office on campus, but if you ever need to meet with me, feel free to reach out and I am more than happy to schedule a time for us to meet. The next link here is announcements. Anytime I make an announcement on Blackboard, I will email that announcement as well, but then you can always find those announcements on the announcement page on Blackboard. So I will be communicating a lot of different information throughout the week via the announcements on Blackboard, just to keep you on track and let you know of any additional information that you will need to know. These links here will link you up to all of the different things that you will need to use throughout the course, but I wanted to direct you first to this weekly learning modules tab here. Within the weekly learning modules tab, the first module we have is the course orientation, which you clicked in here to find this video. So what I'm doing now is just making sure that you're comfortable with all of the different components on our Blackboard site so that you can navigate the course successfully. So again, within that first week's module, you found a lot of different things. In addition to this video, you'll find a link to this week's discussion board, which is just an introductory discussion board where you will use a creative online tool to create a cartoon introducing yourself and telling us all about you. I have already put my storyboard there so you guys can get to know me a little bit. Another thing in this site is the course syllabus and schedule, so make sure you click in there and read through that syllabus in detail. Look at the course schedule just to kind of see how things are going to flow throughout the semester. After you've read through that syllabus and you feel really comfortable with the content, then feel free to click into the Syllabus Quiz. It's a 10-point quiz. It's just to make sure that you caught all of the important things within that syllabus. Of course, 10 questions isn't going to cover everything in that syllabus, just a few key things that I wanted to pull out for you to pay attention to on the syllabus. But make sure you always reference that syllabus and course outline so you know exactly what's expected throughout the class. We do have an observation requirement in this class of 2 hours, so if you do not have a current background check or you've never had a background check through Harper, then you need to purchase the ECE kit in the Harper College bookstore to get that binder so you can go through that process. And then the course materials link here contains some different items that you'll need to reference throughout the semester. So feel free to click in there and look around there and see what is all in there. Each week I will open a new course module for you to do. So this is the orientation module. Next week you will have the week 1 module that you'll need to click into to start the coursework. That's when we'll actually start reading chapter 1. You can see here this is the week 1 module, which will run next week, which gives you exactly all of the information in that module that you need to find to successfully navigate through that week and complete all of the critical information to help you in your learning. At any point during the course, if you have any questions, if you're not comfortable with something, you're not understanding something, you don't know where to find something, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, this is an online class, so we do not have the luxury of meeting face-to-face and having discussions and projects and activities that way. It is in a virtual setting that we're doing all that, so I want to make sure that you are getting everything that you need to be a successful learner. Throughout the semester, I may be adding some other little assignments and assessments in just to do a little pulse check to make sure you're understanding everything and you're on track. Those will be worth participation points and is a gauge for me to really know how you guys are doing and where you're at in your learning. So that's all I have for now. Again, welcome to the course. Look through that course orientation module, read through things, click into things a couple different times, just really get yourself comfortable so that you are on the right track for an amazing semester. So that's all I have from here. So have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.